Hello and welcome to another Monty Miracle cleaning video. In this video we can show you how effective Monty Miracle cleaner is on Indian stone, removing years of natural deterioration and restoring the stone's natural beauty yet again in minutes. Simply apply Monty Miracle cleaner using a garden pump spray bottle, leave on the surface for between 6 and 10 minutes. In this time just agitate the solution with a soft nylon brush to keep the solution evenly spread over the surface. Please note, no power washing is required. Using a garden hose pipe, simply rinse the dirt away. The cleaning process is really that easy. Monty Miracle cleaning solution has been specially developed to combat external hard surface cleaning jobs, quickly, quietly and effectively. As you can see in the results after cleaning this Indian stone patio. All this without the damage and the mess associated with external cleaning methods such as jet washing. Just to let you know, the same process in this video can be applied to most external surfaces you have at home. Why jet wash when you can clean without the noise and the damage? Cleaning with Monty Miracle also gives you a deeper, longer lasting clean. Why not try Monty Miracle for yourself? If you'd like any more information, please visit montymiracle.co.uk, and thank you very much for watching.